Hello, I'm Hiro. Today, ここ、そこ、あそこ. Same rule as これ、それ、あれ. Don't translate. Look at the distance. Quick question. Where you are? Do you use ここ、そこ、あそこ? Now, where the other person is. Which word now? In English, both are easy. Here and there. But Japanese is different. Let's find out. Here's the key rule. Don't translate here or there. Just look at the distance. ここ near the speaker. そこ near the listener. あそこ far from both. Let's see each one. First, ここ. Use ここ for the place near the speaker. ここは駅です. Here is the station. I'm standing here. トイレはここです. The bathroom is here. Near the speaker, use ここ. Next, そこ. English speakers often forget this one. Use そこ for the place near the listener. そこにカバンがあります. Your bag is there. It's near you. そこに座ってください. Please sit there. In English, it's just there. But it's near the listener, so use そこ. Last, あそこ. Use あそこ for a place far from both. トイレはあそこです. The bathroom is over there. あそこは銀行です. That place over there is a bank. Near the listener, use そこ. Far from both, use あそこ. English says there for both. Japanese does not. Now the most important point. The word is not fixed to the place. It changes with the speaker. A is standing by the bookshelf. The bookshelf is near A. A says, ここ here. Same bookshelf. Now B speaks from across the room. The bookshelf is near A, the other person. So B says, そこ there, near you. Same bookshelf. ここ for A, そこ for B. The word follows the distance, not the place. Quick practice. ここ、そこ or あそこ. Think about the distance. 5 seconds each. Question 1. The spot where you are standing. Question 2. A place right next to the other person. Question 3. A building far away across the street. Here are the answers. Question 1. ここ near the speaker. Question 2. そこ near the listener. Question 3. あそこ far from both. 3 words, 1 rule. Don't translate. Look at the distance. ここ near the speaker. Soko, near the listener. Asoko, far from both. And remember, the same place can change with the speaker. Near the speaker, near the listener, or far from both. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe. Learn Japanese from a small seaside town in Japan. See you next time.